How's it going, guys? It's Kevin from SubiSpeed. It is time for this week's 2-Minute Tuesday, and I've got a new product to show you guys how to install. Since most of us are stuck at home, now is the perfect time to work on our car. So I just wanted to remind you guys that today is the last day to take advantage of the TS 2020 code to get 12% off your order. If you are looking to purchase a set of wheels, we're also doing 5% off wheels with no code necessary. And if you do happen to use that TS 2020 code, you can comment your order number in the giveaway video, which I will link up above, for a chance to win some HKS coilovers. The winner will be announced tomorrow. I will pin up one of our comments in that video to let everyone know. Now, with that being said, we can jump into this video. This here is the new compressive tuning Airshield for the 2015, well, actually this fits the 2008 and up SCI as long as you have the stock intercooler. And this basically helps prevent any debris from coming in through your hood scoop and bending the fins on your intercooler. It is made out of laser cut CNC machined metal with either a red or black finish, and the install is pretty simple. I'm really impressed with the quality, the finish, and the overall fit of this, which I'm gonna go ahead and show you once we get this on the car. So these little imperfections are what I'm referring to when I say bent fins on your intercooler. Rocks, small insects, or even sometimes birds can go through that hood scoop and come into contact with those thin pieces of metal and bend them, and eventually it can affect the efficiency of your intercooler. So if you do have a lot of bent fins, you can go in and take a pair of tweezers to straighten those out before you do this install. I'm not going to do that since we don't have too much, so I'm just going to go ahead and slide the Airshield in. There is a correct orientation. The Compressive logo here will be on the right. As you can see, the fitment is perfect from top to bottom. The honeycomb grill pattern sort of matches with the pattern on the top and bottom of the grill. So really, this is a nice engine dress-up part as well. Once we've got that on there, we're gonna grab one of the brackets that's included in the kit, as well as one of the Allen head screws. We're gonna slide this bracket underneath the intercooler like so, slide it into place, and then we can hand thread the screw in and then tighten it down. And that is going to pinch the intercooler here and keep this in place and make sure it doesn't go anywhere. So we can go and do the other side and we're good. And that pretty much wraps it up, guys. If you are interested, I will leave a link to these down in the description. They are currently available for pre-order, but we will be getting in a shipment of these this week, so they should be shipping out pretty soon. If you have any questions or video suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below. Stay safe, practice your social distancing, and I will see you guys next time.